Hello friends, my name is Akshay and welcome to my channel. So this is my Honda Highness CB350 and this is my Skoda Kushaq. So I've been planning to start a YouTube channel since a very long time. So finally I have started. So most of my content will be based on the CB350 and the Kushaq. So the Honda I have been owning since December 2021 and I have driven it over 17,000 kilometers, and the Kushaq is with me since April 2025 and I have driven it over 9,000 kilometers. So I'm not a auto expert or automotive engineer. I'm just someone who loves and admires these beautiful machines. So you can expect content based on my driving and ownership experiences, based on some vehicular and road safety, based on some technical stuff related to automobiles, some of my POV drive videos, and some other DIY stuff related to automobiles. So overall, my content would revolve around the automotive stuff. The intent behind me starting this channel is just to follow my passion, and just it is one of the things which I love to do, and it is something which would keep me a little bit more occupied. So the frequency of me uploading videos would be very random. So yeah, consider subscribing to my channel, and you can also check my Instagram page for some news and some stuff related to automobiles. So yeah, I will see you next time. Thank you.